Building a website for your CrossFit gym doesn't have to be expensive and it doesn't have to be complicated either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to build a simple website for your CrossFit gym. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, welcome. We pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed to sign up. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and go ahead and search for our market, CrossFit Gym. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from. You can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, multi-sites will automatically generate a website for you with the information you've just put in and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close it off because today I'm going to be the one to show you around the platform. So let's get started. The beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're also completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of the facilities at your CrossFit gym, of your customers in action working out. Maybe you want to showcase it on your website. You can change the images. You can change the text as well to suit your business needs. You don't need to know any website coding, be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's go ahead and click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address and I want to make sure that that is visible for my customers. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number, that is click to call, by the way. And physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps, top left-hand corner. Under update social links, put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons for those social channels will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. If you want to make minor edits to it, you can click on that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller to fit into that section better. If you'd like to change the colors that were pre-selected, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. You don't need to know any color coding whatsoever. For each section you'd want to change, all you need to do is click on update section. Underneath update images, where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through the photo library. There's hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to now connect your Instagram account with the click of a button, automatically fill in those photos. Under update action, we have those call to action buttons. Change the text on the buttons and where they link to. You can even link to another website, put in the URL. Otherwise, you can also upload a PDF file, which is a great way to put in more details about your CrossFit gym. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you with their questions and queries. Keep track of all your leads coming in your Marty dashboard. Now, domains are super simple as well. If you have a custom domain for your business, click on that yellow button at the bottom to connect it. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the multi-site platform as well. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your CrossFit gym on the multi-sites platform, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.